In general, again, I would say, Pradeep, that this space itself, which is around, sports, sort of coaching, consultation, and stuff like that, has not been a venture sort of friendly space in the last 5, 6 years, 10 years, I would say. So again, it's a space I've personally seen a bunch of ideas. I'm not aware of companies which have really broken out. And I think the reason is that if you look at sometimes what happens is when you look at the ecosystem, and many entrepreneurs pitch like that in a country of 1.2 billion people, we only have these many Olympic medals and sort of, so many people, and only cricket is the sport and all that. So while the ecosystem is lacking in many, many things, the sharp product idea is not clear, like when I've looked at it. So I think people pitch the ecosystem, but the actual product doesn't have enough traction or enough real market, that is visible immediately ahead. So I think that's what I've seen over the last few years. And hence this market in general, even if you look, there not been that much VC investment that has happened in this market. Maybe one or two, seed rounds, angel rounds, right? But nothing real, nothing substantial has happened. And I think, so that's the issue. So even pre-COVID, I wouldn't say it was in the top tier of things that where VCs were looking for. And post COVID, given like you said that some of these facilities are closed and shut and it's unclear what will happen, it'll be even harder. So I would say my guess is that it'll be really, really hard to raise any substantial investment for something like that. But again, it depends always on the specifics. I think it's very hard to generically decide everything because there's always entrepreneurs that come up with something specific, something magical, that's something that works. But in general, I would say it's been a hard space and only likely to get harder post COVID.